Hey, good morning. Today we are going to discuss on an issue which says no subject alternative DNS name matching found for Amazon S3 connector. I hope this video resolves this issue of DNS name matching errors for the S3 connector. You can see here the actual issue is unable to browse connector, cannot get the location of the bucket, and that resolves again to unable to complete the HTTP call due to a communication error with the remote server. And the actual error is no subject alternative DNS name matching found, which is the bucket name, S3 region, and the respective Amazon AWS. And the main cause of this error is this issue happens due to the usage of periods, which is dot, in the bucket name for a dynamic website hosting. As per the AWS Amazon documentation for the buckets, the naming convention, it's not recommended to use a period when you're trying to use for dynamic website hosting. And our Amazon S3 connector uses virtual hosted style request, which means it's not recommended to use dot in a bucket name. And the only resolution that we can have at this point is we need to replace the dot with some other character. Better to use something like hyphen. Yeah, for best compatibility we recommend that you use that you avoid using periods in bucket names unless using buckets only for static website hosting. If you include periods in a bucket name, you can't use virtual host style addressing or HTTPs, which is what our Amazon S3 connector at Boomi and it is using. Unless you perform your own certificate validation, it's not recommended to use. This is because the security certificates used for virtual hosting of buckets don't work with periods in their names. So if you see, we can take an example like aws.bucket.1. This is not going to work with our S3 connector, and as we are using virtual host style addressing. And you can use something like aws bucket -1, which we are just replacing the dot with the hyphen. Yeah. So this should resolve the DNS errors that we are seeing in the dynamic hosting side for the S3 connector. Here are a couple of references from the AWS documentation where you can see the bucket limitations. Yeah. Thank you.